Good morning all of you. I am Karuna Yadav, faculty of Biyani Group of Colleges, welcomes you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am here to discuss a topic that is rotational transformation. First of all, I'd like to discuss what do you mean by rotational transformation. Rotational transformation means change in angle or orientation of an object. Alright, let us see how. We have a point P. As we all know, R phi is the polar coordinates of this point P. That is, R will be the distance covered by point P from origin and phi will be the angle from origin of this particular point. So how rotational transformation occurs? We have another diagram in which we can see that we have a point P, that is R phi, on xy plane. This point is to be rotated by angle theta. So the new position of point P becomes P dash and the coordinates will be R and theta plus phi. Phi is this theta, this angle plus the angle which is it has been rotated. The total angle covered after rotation will become theta plus phi. So from this we can see triangle OPA. Here we have hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, hypotenuse is R, perpendicular is Y and base is X. We have already studied in earlier classes that sine phi is equals to perpendicular hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is Y upon R, and cos phi is equals to base upon hypotenuse. We have here base as X. So cos phi will be equal to X upon R. So from both these equations we get to know the value of X and Y in polar coordinates form. So X will be equal to R cos phi, YB will be equal to R sin phi. Let us find out how the rotational transformation equations will be evaluated with the help of X and Y. Here we have equations. X dash is equals to R cos phi plus theta. As we have already studied that cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and we will use this formula over here. Cos phi cos theta minus sin phi sin theta. When we will multiply R from the above equation, from the given equation, we get to know that R cos phi cos theta minus R sin phi sin theta. We have already find out that X is equals to R cos phi. So we will substitute the value of R cos phi as X and R sin phi by Y. This is the first equation of rotational transformation equation for X. From equation number 4, Y dash is equals to R sin phi plus theta. We all know sin A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We will apply this formula here and we will get this equation. Y dash is equals to Y cos theta plus X sin theta. Similarly, like we have applied it for X, we will apply it for Y also. So now the rotational transformation equations are X dash is equals to X cos theta minus Y sin theta and Y dash is equals to X sin theta plus Y cos theta. So this was all about a rotational transformation. For more information, you can log on us www.gurukpo.com. Thank you and thank you.